आजकल खूबसूरत और अलग तो हर कोई दिखना चाहता है, लेकिन द 14-15 स्टेप प्रोसीजर इज टू लॉन्ग. आज we'll create a retro look by using only 2 procedures. That is why in today's Wake Up Makeup we have invited Sunaina Gupta who owns the art of French makeup और वो हमें दिखाएंगे कि कैसे retro look create किया जा सकता है without any hassle of 15 to 16 steps. So let's talk to her. Hi Sunaina.
Hi Dipanshi, so nice to see you once again.
It's so nice to see you. Every time we are very pumped up because you show us procedures of semi-permanent makeup और सारा semi-permanent makeup हम आपसे ही सीख कर जाते हैं.
Thank you so much.
तो मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है, क्यों वो semi-permanent makeup प्रेफर करना चाहिए over the regular makeup? Because you know regular makeup हर दिन change किया जा सकता है, लेकिन semi-permanent makeup you cannot really change every day.
See, semi-permanent makeup basically we are just enhancing your actual features, right? Let's say for example on her we will be doing the cheek blush, right? So generally if you see the natural cheeks color is either pink or it is peachish, right? So that's exactly what we are enhancing. So let's say if any guest is coming at your place, you are on with, I mean you are like completely glowing, you know, you do not have to rush in your room and get the blush on done or get the, you know, foundations done. But when you're going outside, you know, maybe for some party or for some dinners or for your corporate meetings or anything, so that time all you have to do is just the touch-ups with the normal regular makeup, which looks very very good. It gives you a lot of confidence, makes you feel very very motivated, and then you get a lot of compliments from people, so you feel very good about your own self.
सुनैना जी, चलिए प्रोसीजर शुरू करते हैं और जान भी लेते हैं कि कौन से 2 स्टेप्स इसमें इन्वॉल्व होने वाले हैं.
So for retro look, we are just going to go with cheek blush on and an eyelash extension. So for blush, firstly we just numb the particular area for like approximately 30 minutes, and now the numbing is done. So that's like topical numbing, so that whenever we do procedure, so that time she will not realize what is happening. Because little bit when you do the procedure, of course it hurts little bit, not more. She wants basically the pink color because she wants that natural pink blush effect. So we are going out with the pink color. So she is Vaishnavi. Please say hi. She is the senior most technician for permanent makeups.
So our beautiful model for today is Anshika. Hi Anshika. Hi.
So first we will be marking the area. This is the marker which is completely safe again for the skin. No rashes on the skin is going to come. So this is how we will be applying the pigment. You can see this is a needle. This is called a nano needle. You have a set of 24 needles or 36 needles. Here we are using 24 needles. It will just prick the first layer of your skin. So the pigment will go inside her skin on the first layer, not deep down. Anshika has a very sensitive skin, so we are not pricking more inside. But if any client has, you know, like normal skin, we can go maybe 2 layers down. So Anshika, can you feel anything?
No, not really.
That's because we have applied topical numbing cream, and that's the only reason she cannot feel anything. So that is one reason. Second is also because we are doing this procedure with nano needles, which has very very light effect.
So कितने अच्छे से हमको इसको maintain करना पड़ता है so that ये longer and longer टिक पाए.
There's no maintenance as such. All you have to do is just you know, use the best quality face washes, and you can on a regular basis you can use aloe vera gel. We do lip stains as well, which is called semi-permanent lipstick, which will be there again, you know, it will give you like maybe a slight pink color or a natural red color, whichever color you want.
और ये कमाल के प्रिसीजन के बाद ये आया है रिजल्ट, आप देख ही सकते हैं. परफेक्ट ब्लश, परफेक्ट पिंक ब्लश एक्चुअली. तो ये तो हो गया हमारा फर्स्ट प्रोसीजर विच वाज द ब्लश. लेकिन अब चलते हैं आंखों के जादू की तरफ. अब आंखों पे सेमी परमानेंट मेकअप कैसे किया जाए? दैट्स वेयर द आई लैशेस कम. अब आपको ऐसी आई लैशेस लगा कर दिखाएंगे जो रेट्रो लुक चीख चीख कर बोलने वाले हैं.
For Anshika, since she has worn you know, a little bit of green shade color, as well as there are some tints of pink as well, and we've also done cheek blush which is again pink. So we are choosing the pink shade for her, and pink shade is like an in shade these days for retro look.
यू नो वॉट आई लाइक अबाउट दीज आई लैशेज इज़ कि कितने ज़्यादा स्पार्कली ये हैं, तो ये तो समझ आ गया है कि कोई ना कोई डिफरेंस तो इनको लगा के होने ही वाला है, बट ऑल्सो दे आर वेरी बोल्ड. सो पीपल, डू दे गो फॉर दीज आई लैशेज?
Absolutely, people who want to go for clubbing, partying, and also marriages, you know, I mean, people attending marriages, even the brides, they do go for these sparkly lashes, because what we basically do is we give the natural shade, which is the black lashes, and on that we mix up the sparkly lashes so that it gives a very natural look. You know, whenever anybody looks at you, they will not even notice that you've applied something different.
ओके आपने आई शेडो की बात की है, तो अभी बिकॉज जस्ट अभी हमने ब्लश खत्म किया है, तो ब्लश के बाद हम उसके ऊपर मेकअप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं?
Immediately नहीं कर सकते. We need to wait for at least 24 hours before we go ahead with any kind of makeup.
तो ये एक्चुअली दिख रहा है कि ज़्यादा टाइम गेनिंग नहीं है, ही इज़ गोइंग वेरी फास्ट.
Because that's Sadik, who is the senior most eyelash technician over here. If someone wants to go for nice volume, then of course it does take time. About 1.5 hours, it does take time.
So this is the retro look right here. आई होप आपको भी ये उतना ही पसंद आया हो जितना कि मुझे. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. आपसे फिर मुलाकात होगी इन द नेक्स्ट वन. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय, टेक केयर एंड स्टे सेफ.
Well, that was a lovely insight into the makeup world कि क्या क्या नई टेक्निक से आप अपने आप को हर दिन सुंदर महसूस कर सकते हैं.